Fried aloo is the ultimate comfort food. It is to Trinidadians what home fries is to Americans. If you like your fried aloo dark, light, crisp, or soft, today I will share with you my tips for making it just the way you like it. First, we'll peel and wash all the ingredients. If you like your fried aloo crisp or slightly crisp, make sure to dry it very well. Next, we will cut each potato into quarters vertically, and then we will slice it evenly. Next, we will thinly slice the onion and dice the pepper and the garlic. Now that all the prep work is done, it's time to fry the aloo. We'll heat the oil in a non-stick frying pan or Dutch oven. It's also a good time to knead your flour for the sada roti. We'll add the potatoes and stir to coat with the oil. Then arrange it evenly and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. While that's getting nice and brown on the bottom, now is a good time to add the onion, garlic and hot pepper. Traditionally, the onion and garlic and hot pepper are cooked in the oil, but my friend Steffi from Trinidad, who is visiting, taught me this technique and it works perfectly. Adding the onion first will create moisture and you'll never be able to achieve that brown crispiness.
Always make sure that the pot is in the center of the flame.
Even though it's a 5-minute rule, always check to make sure that it's not burning. Each stove is different.
This is what we're aiming for. Now I'm going to stir it. And let it cook for another 5 minutes to get some color. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And the loud sound has dissipated, so you know it's time to turn again. And if you like it crispy, you'll continue doing this.
If you don't like it crispy or brown, just keep stirring throughout the process and cook on a medium to low heat. The key to the crispiness is stirring only when necessary, every 5 minutes.
And the heat is on medium.
I like my fried aloo somewhere in the middle, not too light and not too dark.
If the potatoes are still not cooked, we'll cover it for a couple of minutes.
Cook in 5-minute intervals until you get the desired color you wish and the potatoes are tender. Serve your fried aloo with hot sada roti, a nice hot cup of tea, kuchila, or fried eggs.